Hi everyone. So good evening, guys. Are you audible? Okay, right. So in the last two demonstrations, just we are discussing a normal information about your databases. Okay, now, and in the last demo, we discussed about databases, how to approaching in your three-tier architecture, yes or no. So that information we checked out, and later I was given some information about database roles. Okay, for example, if you want to build your career as a database side, then what kind of the things or what kind of roles are there, like database developing side as well as database administration, yes or no. So some information we discussed in the last session, yes sir. Okay, yes or no. Right. And so that information, I think you can understand that, okay, developer activities, what you want to do, and as well as the administrator, what you want to do. Okay, so some little bit idea about your database roles in your companies or in your real-time organizations. Okay, now. So how it was going to be happen. Okay, that we just general information I pass you guys. Okay, now today, so this is your session one. So demonstrations are completed yesterday and day before yesterday, and today is the first class. And before you want to start Oracle, okay, so first of all, we should know about it, database management system, because this Oracle, how it was came, how this database softwares are came into the market, because you know this nowadays everyone using database softwares, yes or no. But how these softwares was came, how these softwares are introduced in the market, okay, what exactly database management system, and what kind of models which was there in database management system. Okay, now how many types of models are there. So, and each model, how the data can be organizing, okay, how the data can be processing. Okay, now, so that all information, let me check out. So because of reason, if you want to understand exactly what is Oracle, and by using of Oracle, what kind of futures we can go to see it, and what kind of things we can implement. So this kind of information, some awareness, if you want to know about it, compulsory we should know, and we should start from database management system. Because once you have an idea on database management systems, so then only you can understand that what is Oracle, what is SQL Server, what is MySQL, what is DB2, what is PostgreSQL. Yes or no? There are so many databases are there. So these all databases and these all database softwares. Okay, why the people are using, why we need it. Okay, so this kind of information, if you want to know it or if you want to understand it, compulsory we should go for to know about database management systems. Okay, now. So now I hope that database management systems, okay, this topic or this concept already, if you go to your BTech or else MCA, BTech, yes or no, in those cases also, we already checked out this one. Okay, so this is one subject in your academic. Okay, I hope that. Okay, so I think in MCA, in BTech, CSC, IT, some, okay, in those particular courses, okay, database management system is one of the topic of your academic. Okay, so maybe some people have a little bit idea on database management systems. Okay, now, so but some people they don't know about a DBMS, because some students are non-background students are there now. So maybe non-background students, they don't have an idea on DBMS, and background students maybe they have an idea, but I don't mind it. You are taking that much serious in your academic database management systems, yes or no? Because in academic, maximum students they're going to be avoid this concept, avoiding this database management concept. So that means they don't know the what is the priority of database management systems in their academic. They don't know, yes or no? So just we are focusing on main concepts. We are focusing on that, and we are going to be reading. Otherwise, we are going to be practicing on that, and later we are writing examinations. Okay, so that is a one type of a scenario. But when you come to working in a real-time companies, okay, as a Java programmer, as a .NET programmer, PHP programmer. Otherwise, somebody is going to some database side like MSBI, like Power BI, like Tabla, like QuickView, yes or no? Like data science, okay. So like Python, okay. So these type of people also they want it, some awareness on database, because I said already demonstration, okay. Database is a common subject for every or any technology people, okay now. So anybody can, they want it, okay. Database management system awareness, okay. You just work on any technology, so you just work on any technology, but everyone should know the knowledge and awareness on databases, okay now. So that you can understand. Now we are going to enter into software field. When you are entering into software field, otherwise you are coming to software courses, then you can day by day you are learning one by one courses you are learning now. So whenever you are learning one by one courses, you can understand that, okay, what is the priority of databases. Slowly you can, okay, understanding, and slowly you are getting the value of databases while you are learning time, while you are practicing time, okay, or else while you are going to interview levels, while you are going to enter into companies, yes or no. At the time you can little bit the importance will be knowing it, okay now. But anyway guys, anyway, so because in this what happened here, so many people, that means nowadays you all of you know, software engineer is nothing but not only background student. So nowadays non-background students also, they're coming to software field, they're trying to software jobs, yes or no. So that's why those non-background people, those who are non-background, those people also, they want to know perfect knowledge, what exactly they want to know, because they don't know initially. So yesterday I said to you, 0% knowledge, okay. Some people, they don't know what is database. They're first time they're listening the words and the terminologies, the first time they're listening. So that's why those people who are there, those kind of people, they want to understand easily, they want to understand easily. Then definitely we want to start from introduction to DBMS, okay now. So that's why my Oracle, okay, whatever I'm going to starting here. So before I need to start Oracle, some basic terms are there in database management systems. So what kind of basic terms are there? And those terms, maybe somebody knows, somebody doesn't know, and somebody know it but having a confusion. Somebody knowing but having a confusion, yes or no. So that's why here we will see some clear cut information, okay. Whatever some small doubts are there, if any student, okay, those doubts also we will be clear it now, okay now. So that is what, okay, right. So that's why I'm starting in the first, is a very basic level I started here, okay now. Because my target is what now, not a background student, my target is non-background students also, they can easily get into software field, yes or no. So that is our target. So in that target, okay, we need to start our technology, okay. When we are going to high level, so if you go to directly high level, so many people they cannot understand, okay now. So that's why if you go to high level, first we have to start into base level. When you're starting from base level, or base level, step by step, then we are entering into high level subject, yes or no? So when you go like this, and this pattern if you follow, you can easily also understand, you can easily understand, okay. So at the time you feel like that, okay, if I want to learn Oracle database course, I don't need any other technologies knowledge, okay now. My point all of you getting now what I'm telling here, okay. So when I'm going to learning, okay, Oracle course or Oracle subject or Oracle one database tool, if I want to learn, I don't want it any other technologies knowledge, okay now. Without any knowledge, then how we are learning, that we will see in our sessions, okay now. So then you will see that kind of sessions you will see that, okay, right. So that's why we started. First topic is, okay, any database you can learn guys, any database you can learn, okay. But first thing is what now, your database is started from DBMS, okay now. This is a basic, and this is a starting pointer. So how you can guys saying that for Java learning purpose I need a C language, yes or no. .NET purpose I need a C language, Python purpose I need a C language. So that means you people are thinking like that, okay. And so many people suggested to you, okay, are you going to Java now? Okay, first to go to C language. First you have a good idea in C, automatically can go to Java, Okay, so how they're telling that C is a base and fundamental of your programming languages. Same to same. When I started any database tool, or if you want to learn any database technologies, first fundamental is what now? DBMS. So this fundamental, if you clear cut understand, okay, or clearly if you understand now, then further whatever the tools are you learning, okay, that you can easily understand it. Okay, na? So that's why we will start our first session, introduction to DBMS. Okay, na? So let me check out. In this DBMS, okay, we have a few terms are there, guys. Those terms first we will be discuss with you. That is called basic terms are there. In this first term is called as a what exactly data. Second term is what no what exactly information, you know. And the third term is called as a what exactly database, you know. And fourth term is called as a what exactly data storages. Okay, so these are basic terms, guys. Okay, now, and in this one of the term is there. Okay, one of the term, and we have to know about it at the fourth point here. That is called as types of database. This is very, very, very important. Okay, concept, types of databases, because so many people, so many students, so many people thinking that databases are nothing but, okay, they're telling like this: Oracle, SQL Server, yes or no, MySQL. They're telling like this, but those are not a types. Those are not a types. Careful, observe my point. Okay, so SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, DB2, these are not a types. Those are what now? Softwares. Those are what now? Database softwares. Those are not a types. Okay, types is different. Okay, types is different. Okay, and whatever we are using, Oracle, SQL Server, these are what? Softwares. So that's why so many people doesn't know how many types of databases are using in real-time industries. Okay, now, so maybe some people knows that, but so many percentage of people, okay, so many percentage of students also, they doesn't know how many types of databases are using in real-time applications. Okay, now, so that information also we are going to be checking out. And why I'm telling this point here means, when you know the information about types of databases, then only you can know that Oracle is comes under which type of database. Okay, now, so are you catching my point now? So are you learning Oracle? Okay, fine, we are learning Oracle, but Oracle exactly comes under which type of database, that so many people doesn't know. That so many people doesn't know it. Okay, now, so that's why what it was happening, guys, here. So if you want to know, yes, Oracle so and so type of database, that you know that first of all. Okay, now, first of all, that you know that, that is what it is going to be saying that. That is what it is going to be saying it. So like this, every basic terms we will be started here. Okay, every point we will be discussed, and then you can started your Oracle. Then you will be clear cut information in front of you, without having any confusion, without having any doubts. You're happily and you're clearly, without having any queries, we are directly enter into Oracle. Okay, now, right? So now these are the, guys, the database management systems. These are the five things every database person should know that. Every database person should know that. Okay, now, so now here, this is what data, information, database types, and data storages. Okay, let you check out. And so many people here, one more very important point. So many students are thinking that data, information, both are same. Okay, data, information, both are same. So many people thinking that. But guys, just logically think, just one idea I'm giving to you. If data and your, okay, data and information both are same, then why we called and why the people was given two terms here? The data, why it was separately given? Information, why was separately given? It means that data and information separately it was there means some differences are there, some meaning is there, yes or no? So that is what we will see. That's why don't compare what is data, what is information, means both are having some different, both are not the same. But so many people thinking that data, information, both are same, but that is absolutely wrong. Okay, now you can see how, what is data and what is information. I will give these two definitions, then you can understand what it was different. Okay, let you come. So let me come here. So first one, the first term is data. So data basically, okay, simply we can say it is a raw fact. It is a raw fact. Okay, maybe raw fact is nothing but raw material or raw fact we called. Maybe it is a characters. Okay, maybe it is a characters and numbers. Okay, etc. We called. Okay, na? So these kind of things are called a raw fact or raw materials we called. Okay, now, but the thing is, this raw material, whatever the characters and numbers or special characters, whatever it was there, this raw material, this raw, okay, fact, raw fact is never is raw fact is never give meaningful statements, guys. Meaningful statement. Okay, meaningful statement. So this raw fact or raw material is never give meaningful statement or meaningful statements. So that means raw fact, we have just raw fact. Characters are the characters, one raw fact. Numbers, one raw fact. Special characters, one raw fact. Some symbols, one raw fact. But these are not giving any meaningful statements. Okay, meaningful statement. For example, let me check. For example, suppose, guys, I'm going to taking one example here. Okay, now I'm passing some names here, and after writing some name on this board or on this notepad, just you want to tell me these names are belongs to what, and these names are representing to what. Okay, so that information you have to tell. Okay, right. Some names I'm giving, guys, here. Okay, some names: Smith, Scott, Miller, Allen. Some names I was given, guys. Okay. Now tell me, Smith, Scott, Miller, Allen. These names, whatever I was written on this notepad, these names are representing to what? What it was going to be represented? My question. What it was going to be represented? Is it the Smith, Scott, Miller? Just I written like this, but I didn't give any heading for this. Okay, just a normal names I written, some characters A to Z alphabets I'm using, some names I written. But my question is what now? I'm telling that this is data. Smith, Scott, Miller, Allen, this is called a data. But my question is what now? Whatever I was given the data here, this data is having meaning or not? This data is having meaning or not? Means I don't know. This is no meaning. Because Smith, Scott, Miller, Allen is what exactly? These names are representing to whom, to what, we don't know. So when we don't know, when we didn't understand, why we didn't understand means there is no meaning. It doesn't giving any meaning for me. That's why I didn't understand what is this. So here the thing is what now? These names I was given, these are called as a some human being names, like a employee, like a man names, or else like a woman's names. Otherwise, these names are belongs to products names. These names are belongs to customer names. These names are belongs to employee name, or else this name belongs to country name, or state name, or a company name, or a organization name. Yes or no? So, or a fruit name. Okay. So which one? Which exactly these names is going to be represented? Is it employee names? Otherwise customers names? Or a students names? Or else country? So like we have India, Australia country names, or a company name, or this is an organization name, or is your college name? It's a banking name. Okay. So otherwise it is a Indian Airlines names. What is this? What you can say? What I can say? When you're giving some name to me, what I can understand? You're giving just a Smith. You're giving just a Smith. But Smith means what? Smith is a company name. I don't know. Smith is a flight name. I don't know. So what exactly? So that is not represented here. So when we did it, when we didn't represent anything, then of course this is a confusion to us. Of course, this is no meaning us. So we can't understand what exactly. In the same to same, guys, I just giving here one more. Suppose some numbers I'm passing here. Okay, some numbers I'm passing, guys. Okay, this is also some numbers I was given. So again, I was given some numbers only. Yes or no? I'm just giving some numbers only. But these numbers are belongs to what I don't know again. Because we are not represented here. 10024. Is it a employee ID number? Is it a customer ID? Is it a product code? Is it a customer bill number? Is it a customer invoice number? Okay, what exactly? Again, we don't know. Again, we have a confusion. Again, we can't tell it. If anybody asks me 10024 what it is, they're asking to me. Okay, then I will tell you, I don't know now. If I want to tell something to you, first I have to know, first I have to understand now what it is this. If I understand this, then only I can tell you. Yes or no? If I am also confused here, okay, then how I can tell you? So we are saying that, okay, I am also, I don't know what is this. This number is belongs to what it is, I don't know. Okay, now, yes, this is what we called as a data. This is what we called as a raw fact. This is what we called as a raw material. Yes or no? This is, there is no meaningful us. But you guys tell me, you want it, which type of data do you want to store in your database memory? Do you want to store meaningful data or meaningless data? Which data do you expected? Come on. Which data do you expected? Meaningful or meaningless? Yes, of course. Everyone, we need what now? Meaningful data we required. Yes or no? What we required, guys, here? Meaningful data we required. But here there is no meaning for these names and these numbers. Then what we want to do, sir, means yes. Now, to take or to get a meaningful of the above info or the above data, then we need to go to what we want to do it here. We need to process. So processing data is called as information. Processing data is called as information. And information is always provide meaningful statements. Okay, now information always provide a meaningful statement. How it is? Now see the same example. Let you check out the same example, whatever I was taken in the term of data. The same example, guys, I'm just taking here. Okay, fine. Okay, but still it is a data we don't know. Now I want to convert into meaningful statement. Convert into meaningful statement. Then what I need to do, I need to do some process. The processing, for you doing some processing purpose, we need to use some softwares we are using. Okay, we are using some softwares. Through that softwares we are preparing some table structures. Yes or no? Like this we are preparing. So now finally, now I want to give some here. Okay, some heading was I'm giving now. Yes, I'm taking here employee underscore names. So careful observe my point. So I think easy. There is nothing complicated here. Yes. Now I'm giving some heading for this. So whenever I was giving some heading for this, then tell me, guys, now by seeing of this heading here, then I can easily understand that, okay, this one is a employee names. That means Smith, Scott, Miller, Allen. These are represented to what? Means, yes, these are represented to employee names. Now it was having a clarity now. Yes or no, guys? Now it was having a clarity or not? Yes, we have some clarity now. So we understand something. Okay, Smith is a employee name. Smith is not a company name. Smith is not a product name. Smith is not a country name. Smith is not a location name. Smith is a employee name. So by taking off that heading, whatever the person or user was given there, based on that headings only, the users can understand that, okay, these names are belongs to, or these names are representing to something. How we can understand means by taking off final heading was there. Okay, suppose in this Instead of employee name, suppose I just changes here. If I'm giving student, then what does it mean by this? Smith, Scott, Miller, Allen is belongs to or is representing to students' names. Yes or no? Like in the same to same, if I want to give, I just change here. I just change here customer names. Then we can easily understand, yes, it is representing customer names. Okay now. So now we have some meaning here. This meaningful data is called as what now? Information we called. That's why information always giving meaningful, and meaningful data is called as a information. In the same to same, now I'm giving here, suppose here I was give it here. Okay, so here I'm giving some name, invoice numbers. Okay, so otherwise invoice number. So here also I'm just taking here some heading I was given. So customer names and customer invoice numbers. Customer names and customer invoice numbers. Okay now. So nowadays, you know, if you want to purchase any product, so bill number and invoice numbers also there. So this is what now. Okay, so this is what now invoice. So purchasing of some products, if you see when you purchasing some products now, so their invoice numbers also the people was going to be seeing that. Yes or no? So that is called a invoice numbers also we called. Okay, this is representing what now? Invoice number. Okay, fine. So now I can understand 100244578. Okay, 685204796. So Smith is a customer name. This customer invoice number is 10024. Scott is a customer. This customer invoice number 45785. Miller is a customer. Is invoice number 68520. And Ellen 47963. So it is a clear cut meaning was given us. So by seeing of this meaning, you can understand exactly information. You can understand it. Okay. Now, so now this is what it was calling here, data and the information. So now clear now all of you. Now all of you clear now what is data, what is information, how these two terms will be differentiated. You can understand now. So clear all of you guys. Yes. So that's why don't say data. Okay. Don't say information. Both are same. Don't say data is different. Information is different. When meaning is there for your data, then only that is called a information. If there is no meaning of your data, then that is not a information. There is no meaning of your data, then that is not a information. Careful, sir. Okay, now right. And these meaningful data is nothing but information. Now we need to store into somewhere. We need to store into somewhere. So where we can store our like a customer's data, like a product's data, like a student's data, employees data. Yes or no? So like branches data. Okay. So this kind of meaningful information we need to store somewhere. Where we can store somewhere means here also some question is coming us. So this kind of meaningful data I can store into files. I can store into books and papers. Yes or no? Now I'm storing in text file. Okay now. So we have these many things we have it now. Then why you choose the databases? Why we choose the databases? Okay, we can store the data into MS Excel format, Word format, text file format. Yes or no? Different files we have it, different files are available. But in those files, can I store my meaningful data now? Then why should we are choosing database? So this kind of question also, so many people, they're going to rising. Yes or no? Yes. So why we can't store into our data in text file or any other files means there are so many problems are we have it here. Okay now. So like a data redundancy problems, data inconsistency problems, okay, data retrieval problem, data indexing problem, yes or no, data integrity problems. So these kind of problems are we are facing when you want to store the data into files. Yes or no? So that what it is, I will clearly explain to you guys. Don't worry about it. Okay. So once you store your data into files, what kind of problems are we are facing? The practically I will show you. Don't worry about it. Okay. No? But yeah, just basic terms, definitions I'm going to explaining to you. Okay. Right. And next one is what now guys? Database. So what exactly database here? What exactly database? Database is nothing but simply we can say it is a database is nothing but simply we can say it is a collection of it is a collection of interrelated it is a collection of interrelated information related information which has been organized which has been organized in structural format, in organized in proper structural format, proper structural format. Okay, now, so this is what simply we can say database. So proper structural format. Okay, structural means some particular pattern. Okay, one particular pattern wise data can be stored. Data cannot be stored any manner, yes or no? So we can't store, okay, without having any structure, without having any shape. Okay, this is not that. Database is what, now how the databases are storing your data means in a particular structural format it will be storing. That which structural format we will discuss, don't worry. Okay, here the point is 2 points will be rising here. Okay, if you want to go, the 2 points are rising here. One is interrelated information is a 1 point. Okay, the people will be raised to you the question. Next one is what is structural format. So these are the two things the people have a doubts. That means immediately they're getting doubts. Sir, what is interrelated? What is structural? So the people getting the questioning on these two statements. Okay, now yes. Now let me check out what is structural and what is interrelated. First of all, you can check the meaning of interrelated information. So what is the meaning of interrelated information? That is what we can go to see it. Now you just come back and see what is interrelated information. First of all, one small example I will explain to you guys. Okay, based on that example, you will understand it. And again, you don't ask me. That means you are not asking question because you can clearly understand what is interrelated. Okay, again, you don't ask me anything. Yes or no? Right. So, what is interrelated means simply, for example, one organization I'm taking, guys. Okay, one organization I'm taking. It's one organization. Okay, some organization I was taking. So organization is nothing but, how can you define organization means? How can you define, guys? What is organization? How we can define organization means? Organization is nothing but, can I say it is a group of branches? Can I say it is a group of branches now? Yes. So organization is nothing but it is a group of branches. A branch is nothing but, can you say a branch is nothing but group of departments. Can I say a branch is nothing but group of departments? Can I say a department is nothing but group of employee? What do you say, guys? Can you say or no? Organization is nothing but group of branches. Is a branch is nothing but group of departments. A department is nothing but group of employees. So this is hierarchy of a organization. For example, suppose SBI banking sector was there. SBI is one of the banking organization, for example. Now we all of you know that the SBI banking is one of the largest banking sector in our India. It is one of the largest banking sector in our India. So SBI organization is one of the banking organization. Now tell me your SBI organization. So your organization means what I said, number of branches. And all of you know now, SBI organization is having number of branches all over the world. Okay, all over the India, we have a number of branches now. Yes. A branch is nothing but number of departments. Careful observe. A branch is nothing but number of departments. So like accounting department, clerk department, operational department, yes or no? Different departments are there in one branch. And a department is nothing but a group of employees. Yes or no? A department is nothing but group of employees, right? Yes. Okay, now. So that means the hierarchy you can see SBI organization. This organization is having number of branches. A branch is having number of departments. A department is having number of employees. Now, if you want to carefully identify the statement, everything is going to be depending here. Organization depends on the group of departments. Departments are nothing but group of, branches nothing but group of departments. Departments are nothing but group of employees. So it is called as a interrelated information to each other. Okay, now just assume, suppose there is no employees, there is a no departments, there is a no departments, there is a no branch, there is a no branches, there is a no organization. In the same to same, vice versa, there is a no organization, there is a no branches, there is a no branches, there is a no department, there is a no department, there is no employee. I hope that you understand now. So what it means here, everything is going to be depending on each other. Employees are depends on departments, departments are depends on employee. Yes or no? So now, for example, now we can say, if there is a no department, is there any employees? Come on, guys. If there is a no department, okay, if there is a no department, is it possible to have a employees? No, not at all. How can you say, guys? Without a department, how you can say employee is there? So that means what you say, no department, no employee. Same vice versa. If I'm saying here no employees, there is a no departments, or there is no department. So it means what you understand, employees are depends on department, departments are depends on employee. If in this two, any one is not there, the second one is not there, and second one is no meaning. Same to same, guys. One more example you can see. There is a no products, there is a no products, then we can say there is a no customers. When there is a no customers, then there is no use of products. If customer is there, products are valuable. If no customer, what is the use of products? My point, all of you catching now? When customers are there, products are value, or products also there. When no customer, no products, no customer. When both are there, then only business is going on. Yes or no? My point, all of you catching now? What I am telling? Okay, products are there, customers are there, then only business will be running. If in this two, anyone is not there, then how can you run your business? Okay, I have a product, sir, but there is no customer to me, then what I can use these products? It's a waste of products now. Yes, in the same to same, we have a customers, but we don't have a products. Then how can you run your business? So this kind of information is called as a interrelated information. Okay, now same to same. That's why, can you see, if you go to in your Oracle database also, so in Oracle database also, the Oracle corporation people also, can you see, I will show you one point here. I'm not doing this one. Okay, Oracle corporation people also given like this. They're giving some tables now, guys. Just observe. Okay, just observe. These tables are not, I'm not given these tables. I'm not created these tables. These tables was given by Oracle corporation people. Oracle corporation people was given these names. Okay, now what is this here observed? You can understand now. Okay, right. Select a star from DEPT table is there. This is one department table, guys. And this table, whatever it was there in my Oracle Okay, this is a predefined table. This table was given by Oracle Corporation people. I have not created this table. It's a inbuilt. It's a inbuilt. This table will become to along with your software. And these tables are given by Oracle Corporation people. Now, so the people was given department table means compulsory they given one more table they given, that is called as the EMP table. So now we can see department table, EMP table, these are dependencies. These are dependencies. And what I'm telling, my point, careful observe, these tables are I'm not created. It is not a user defined tables. It is a predefined which was given by Oracle Corporation people. That means the Oracle Corporation means who was introduced this Oracle software, who was introduced this Oracle software. Those company people are given these two tables. This is not my tables. Okay, now, but why, sir? Why the people are giving, okay, department table given and EMP table? Why they given these two tables? And these are very powerful tables. Why they're given these two tables means, yes, if department table is there means compulsory employee table should be there. Without employee table, department table, what I can do? Same to same, if employee table is there means they should be given department table, because without departments, employees, how can you come? How it will become to employees? So this is what we are not telling. It was a real-time industry, real-time organization was telling that. Okay, now, so department, employee, employee, department, both are dependency to each other. So this kind of interrelated data or interrelated information we are storing under database. Now this is database. Now can you see this is a database? Which database can you see? I think my heading was taken. This heading was see. This is what, which type of database it is? Oracle. This is a Oracle data. See, Oracle database. This is Oracle database. Oracle SQL plus editor or SQL plus tool I'm using. So in this Oracle only, these two tables are have. These two tables are having now. Can you see? Okay, now. So this is what we can go to do it, guys. Okay, now. So that is what we can go to do it. This is called as interrelated information. Okay, now. So this related information like this, what I'm going to do, you can observe like this interrelated object. Careful observe. So suppose this is your database. This is your database. Okay, now? So what we said, guys, database is a collection of interrelated information, we called collection of interrelated information. This is your data. So here I'm taking some few tables. One table for your department's details. Okay, otherwise one table for your department's details. One table, okay, I'm creating for employee data storing purpose, one table. Okay, now. So one table, okay, I'm storing here one table is a customers table. So these are customers table. One table is called as a products table. Is called as a products table. One table is called as a orders table. Is called as a orders table. Orders table. Okay, now these are few tables, guys. So let you think. Okay, this is, if you think here DEPT table, then definitely this is, okay, EMP table. And this is, suppose you have it is a customer table. Yes, definitely we have to take your products table. And definitely when customer products are there, definitely we have a orders table. So whatever the data is there, guys, the data I'm storing into particular structural format. Here, which structure? Table structural format. So these all table structure format, different products are different information, different data I'm storing under. Where I'm storing this is all, so these all are storing under database. These all are storing under databases. These all are storing under databases. Okay na? So now you just assume, so this is your database. So now this is your database. Okay na? This is your database. Now in this database, these all tables are having, yes or no? So we have here, okay, so okay, you have your, so these all tables I'm storing. So employee table, department table, okay, these all tables are we are storing. Okay, these are all tables. So these all tables are is going to be storing under database. That's why, as per my definition, what I was given, guys, as per my definition, what I was given, database is a collection of interrelated information, collection of interrelated information. Okay, and that has been organizing in a structural format, organizing in a structural format. Okay na? So in such a way your data can be organized in your databases. So that's why, can you see, that's why you can see in your Oracle also, see, in Oracle also everything is a tabular format. See, department is a table structural format of data. EMP is a table structural format of data. So now this is complete, you can say this. So this is what now, these are columns. Okay, these are columns and these are below rows. Okay, so this is location data, this is department data, so this is one table. So every line will be there in here, every line will be there in here. So are you getting my point now? Every line will be there here. Okay, right, fine. So it is also same employee table. This is employee table. Okay, in this employee table there are so many columns was given here. So like employee ID number columns, employee name columns, job column, okay, MGR column, next hire date column, next salary column, next department number column, and this is what columns here. Okay, so in such a way data can be organizing in your database. It is a practically we check it out, practically we check it out, yes or no? So that's why the people was given the information, that is what they given here. Okay, database is nothing but it is a collection of interrelated information that has been or which has been organized in proper structural format. Proper structural format. Okay now? So the interrelated means what now? One to one dependencies are there. So like the example, so SBI branches, department, employee. Then what we said, some examples we given. Okay, there is no department, no employees, no employee, no department, no products, no customer, no customers, no product. That means departments are depending on employees, employees are depending on departments, products are depending on customers, customers are depending on product. This is called as a interrelations. Okay, so let me simply in just normal word, okay, you depends on me, okay, I depend on you, you depends on me, I depends on you. That is called a interrelation. Okay now, so this is what the meaning of interrelated. And structure, structure means what I said. Now we can see our data in which format is storing in your Oracle. See, in your Oracle which format is storing? It is a one table structural format. Your data storing in which format? Table structural format. That means these two tables, whatever it was there, these are having interrelationship, IR, interrelated information. This both are, yes or no? Interrelated information, interrelated information. Storing in which format? Structural format. Which format? Structural format. Which format? Structural format it will be storing us. This is the definition of database. This is the definition of database. Okay, so are you clear this definition, guys? Database definition, all of you clear it? Okay now, right? So this is database. Okay, how it was defined. So practical also we checked out, practical also we checked out. Now the next important question is what now, guys? Yeah, this is very very important. Now database definition we understand, and database, how the data is storing we understand, which type of data storing we understand. Okay, interrelated data and structural format. Okay, but now let we know how many types of databases are there in real time world. In real time world, how many types of databases are there? Okay now, so this is very very important, okay, for us. And this information if you know, then you will get some clarity on your, okay, Oracle what exactly. Okay now, right guys? But I stop it here today in this session. Okay, and we will see on Monday session. So tomorrow there is no classes, first weekend there is no classes. Okay, and day after tomorrow Sunday as usual. So we will see, we can go for to check out the Monday session. Okay now, so Monday we will discuss what are the types of databases are there. Okay, then after that data storages, and later models, database models, and later architectures. Okay, so one by one, step by step, everything I will go to give it in front of you. Okay na, right guys? And so today whatever the three basic terms we discuss, what is data, what is information, and what is database. Okay na, so these are the basic terms. Okay, what is what we got it. Okay na, right guys? And about okay, so Monday, okay, we will start at types of data, because Monday, why we need to start means because types of database is a very 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 important topic. Okay, this topic don't miss it on Monday session. If you know the types of database clarity, then you can understand that what is Oracle. Okay na, so that we will see to that. Okay, right? And yeah, of course, okay, clear na? So today I hope that the basic terms, I think all of you understand it. Okay na, right? And Monday we will see it, guys. Yeah, so yeah, somebody's asking some link is changing, or course fee, how much sir, registration fee details. Okay, somebody's asking Power BI tool. Okay, so whatever it was, guys, our people, our management people, they will be contact to you, or maybe today evening or tomorrow or Monday. Okay, they will contact you, they will give some information to you, because as of now I didn't get which employee or which person number I have to pass to you. That information I didn't get from the management side. So that's why I can't give it which number I want to give. I don't know. So maybe my people will be interacting with you within coming soon. Okay, as soon as possible, they will talk to you. Okay, na? So that's why I know I don't, because so many employees are working in Naresh IT, but which number I want to give you, that I don't know. Still, I'm not getting that information from the management side. So that's why I'm waiting for that number. So once the person is confirmed to us, then the person number I will pass you. Okay, na? So don't worry. Link will not change Monday as usual. Link, you can come and attend the link also. Same link. So let me go to start our classes. Okay, now if any link is changes, definitely I will inform to you. Okay, right guys. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day and happy weekends.